Centrotherm presents Heated Conversation. Talking about plumbing, HVAC, and everything in between.
New York. Where have you been for the last couple of weeks?
I've been in Philadelphia. Brewery town specifically.
Brewery town. Is that the area or is just
So that's a neighborhood that my apartment's in.
Excellent. What are you doing down there?
I'm meeting with contractors, knocking on doors, and trying to sell some Influ Light.
But that's because you got...
I got promoted.
There you go. Congratulations,
Thank
man.
you.
Congratulations. Your new title is?
I am the product development specialist.
And that
Influ Light.
your previous title was?
I was an inside sales specialist.
And now we moved you. We literally were like, Dylan, you are too important for little Waterford, New York. We need to move you to the metropolis that is the city of brotherly love. And now you live in Philadelphia for an indefinite amount of time as you do business development stuff for Influ Light. What is the biggest change from sitting at the desk that's about 35 yards from here, maybe not even, to wandering around Philadelphia, setting up appointments and stuff like that? What's the biggest change?
Yeah, I think the biggest change is, so obviously working on an inside team, I'm getting emails and I'm getting quote requests, I'm getting calls to me.
Yes.
So my activity was presented to me in a way. So now I'm on the outside team and I have to create my activities and I have to kind of figure out where I should move and what I should do next. I think that's kind of the biggest change.
So how do you stay motivated? You know, if you're inside, the stuff comes to you, as you say. So, you know, the email comes in, you do it next, and I know you're not a procrastinator. You're a guy who's always been helpful with immediately helping customers who need help and, you know, just getting at it, right, going after it. So now you're creating your own situations in Philadelphia. What's, how do you stay on the ball? What's moving you to move and shake down there?
Yeah. Truthfully, what's really moving me is I believe in this product and I believe in this company so much that I really think that our product and our company in general can add so much value to the contractor. So what keeps me motivated is I want to get in front of them and show them how we can add value and what they should actually be exhausting their high efficiency appliances with.
And you speak from experience, right? Like actual experience.
Yeah. So I worked with a contractor throughout high school and college and installed furnaces, water heaters, boilers, all that good stuff. And we were using PVC, and then once you learn the difference between a polypropylene vent system and a PVC vent system, it's really hard to ignore, and it's hard to use the product that's not meant to be used for it.
Had you been to Philadelphia before you moved?
No.
Never,
No,
not one time.
new.
What's it like going from Amsterdam, which has a population of 16 or 17 people, to Philadelphia, which is a major U.S. Eastern Seaboard metropolis?
Oh man, it's a huge difference. There's so much going on. There's so many things to do. And I will say this, I didn't know about it before I moved to Philadelphia, but the water ice, the Philadelphia water ice, is absolutely incredible.
That's awesome. You're getting ahead of my questions, right? So the water ice is like that's a Philly staple right there, of course. Have you been to the Reading Terminal Market yet?
I have not.
Okay, well
I've not been there yet.
That's in the downtown. When you get down there, you have to make it.
Yep.
Have you had any other Philadelphia staples?
Well, I did the art museum.
Okay.
So that was fun.
That is where the Rocky statue is now,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Did you go to see that specifically?
Yes, I went to see that specifically. I ran up the stairs, completely sprinted up the stairs, and did the whole Rocky jump, and everyone was looking at me, but it was
They're used to it.
Yeah, they're pretty much used to it at this point. But yeah, that whole area is great. I've been to Central Philly, which is, you got a lot going on there.
Chicky and Pete's, have you been there yet?
I have not.
Okay, well, you're going to have to go there. They have the fries with the Old Bay seasoning, a classic. And of course, Pat's or Geno's is of course the tourist trap type of cheesesteak scenario that goes there. Locals will tell you maybe Jim's is the place to get it at. And everybody has their own favorites and what have you.
Sure.
Are you going to go check out maybe an Eagles game at the Link this year?
I'll have to, yes. I am a Giants fan, so I may have to wear a Giants hat or something to represent them, but yeah, I'm a big Saquon fan, so we'll have to see him play.
Well, please be careful. We need you to keep doing what you're doing out there. And if you wear a Giants jersey to Philadelphia, there is a chance that you don't make it out alive.
There's a chance, yeah. But I have spoken to a lot of contractors, and we have talked football, and we've come to an agreement that it's not the Eagles against the Giants. We're against the Cowboys.
Fair enough.
We can come together as one, as long as we, hate the Cowboys equally. I think we'll be all right.
Seriously though, I mean the Cowboys have not been competitive in many years, so it's kind of interesting that that burning hatred still really is smoldering in the NFC East.
Oh, yeah.
Both the Giants and the Eagles have been much more competitive recently.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess the Cowboys are just so detestable that the hatred of them transcends any sort of regional rivalry, right?
Yep, that's the truth. They say if your enemies are the same enemies, then we can team up.
The enemy of my enemy is my friend,
yes,
right?
That's
So
what it was.
fair enough.
That's what it was.
Interesting. Do you have any other NFL teams that you hate?
Not so much. No, I can definitely just say the Cowboys. I even like the Redskins. The Washington Commanders. They're not the Redskins anymore. My apologies. But yeah, I even like the Commanders. So it's really just about.
What do you think of the Giants' chances this upcoming season?
I think we look good.
You look good?
Truthfully, we got a whole new quarterback room. We got some new running backs in there. I think it's gonna be a good year.
Who else is at the top of the league?
The top of the league. Well, of course you got the Chiefs.
Ooh.
Yeah, I believe the Chiefs.
So you hate the Chiefs?
I wouldn't say I hate them. But,
I hate the Chiefs.
It sucks to keep seeing them winning.
I'm a Bills fan. I hate the Chiefs.
Okay, I like the Bills. I definitely like the Bills.
There's a chance they're at the top of the league this year.
Oh yeah, they're at the top there. Yep.
Do you know that we vented Josh Allen's house?
No way.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Absolutely. Shout out to WMS Sales.
Shout out.
They, I do believe, oh man, I forget the neighborhood. He lives in the sort of the ritzy suburb outside of where Buffalo is. Right, I think pretty much near Orchard Park where the stadium is.
Right.
And we definitely vented his house. And he's not the only sort of luminary we vented, but we did Dwayne Wade's house at some point as well. And we've also done. And these are just the ones that we know about.
Yeah.
So it's incumbent upon you to get the Xfinity Center completely in a flued out.
Yes, that is the goal, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. It's great to see you back here in New York. Keep killing it in Philly.
Super stoked to be here. See you guys.